Hello friend, today we have another question and it is very important question. So the question says that zero sum subarray means it is difficulty level is medium level. So we can check this question is asked in two companies and it is very important. So question says that zero sum subarray means given an array of integers ARR means one array is given. Find if there is subarray of size at least 1 with zero sum, means sum equal to 0. So return true and false depending upon whether there is a subarray present with zero sum or not. In array, if sum of subarray is 0, then in that case we have to return true, otherwise we have to return false. So here we can check. Here it is 0. So we can say like this one 2 minus 3 plus 1 is 0. So we are returning 0. So here how we can solve this question. First one, suppose array is given like 4, 2 minus 3, 1 and 6. So if we check this subarray means continuous part. So here, so sum is 0. So how we can solve? So we can solve like this 4, 2, minus 3, 1 and 6. Here I and here j. Suppose I will find all this subarray. If any subarray sum is 0, in that case we will return true. Okay, here sum equal to 0 like here. Hmm. So first one is 4 int I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length, then I plus plus, and I assume sum equal to 0 for in j equal to I, j is less than array dot length and j plus plus, then sum equal to sum plus array of j. If sum equal to 0, return true, return true. If not, then at last we will return false, return false. So here suppose one subarray I will got like 4, 4 is one subarray, then 4, 2 another subarray, then 4, 2 minus 3. We will get sum, yes, sum equal to 0, j start from here, then j will go here, then it will go here, then it will go here, then it will go here. Then again I will come here, then j will go here. Again it will sum equal to 0, then this one, this one, this one, this one. Again I will come here, j will come. J will come here, and again it will start. So in that case, the time complexity will become big of n square because we are using nested loop. So, but we have to reduce the time complexity. This is another challenge. So, the best approach for solving this question is here. Hmm. What I will try to do, suppose here sum, here sum equal to, think here, sum equal to 4. Here 4 plus 2, 6. Sum is 6. Okay. Okay. Then here, how much sum? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 3 means 3. 3. Then this one, 2. sum equal to then 2. Hmm. Then 6. 6 will how much? 6 will 2 plus 6, 8. Okay. First sum 4. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6. 6. Then 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. Then 3. Then here 3 plus 1. Here 3 plus 1, 4. Sorry, here 4. So 4 is present here. Here we got 4. Here also got. So we can say that the sum of this one will 0. Here, this one. Is it clear for everyone? Sum stored in the hash set. Then 4 stored in hash set. 2, 4 plus 2, 6 stored in hash set. Then minus 3. Then 6 minus 3, 3 stored in hash set. 3 plus 1, 4. Yes, 4 is present in hash set. In that case, we will return true. Is it clear for everyone? Yes. So, first I will create hash set. Hash set of integer set equal to new hash set. Then I will mark int or set dot add 0. If we will get sum equal to 0, then here set will return true. Int sum equal to 0 or int I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length and then I plus plus. Check sum equal to sum plus array of I. Okay. Then I will check if set dot contains sum. In that case, means it is present this sum, means return true. Else add into the set. Set dot add sum. Okay. At last return false. It over set. Suppose here 4. It will check sum equal to sum plus array of 4. Set dot contain 4. No, set dot add 4. I have added to the set 4 plus 2, 6. 6 set dot contain 6. No, add set. 6 minus 3, 3. It is present in set. No, add into the set. 3 plus 1, 4. Yes, it is present. In that case, we will return true. Is it clear for everyone? So the time complexity of this program is big O of n. Okay. Hmm. You can also assume that here 4. Again, we are getting 4 here. Means the sum from here to here is 0. Okay. Now I am going to write this program in Geeks for Geeks compiler. Geeks for Geeks online platform. Hmm. First, I will create hash set of integer set equal to new hash set. After that, I limit sum equal to 0. For int I equal to 0, I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. Then sum, and I will add this set dot add 0. If I will get from a starting to some point as sum equal to 0, in that it will return true. Sum equal to sum plus array of I. If set dot contains sum, in that case return true. Otherwise set dot add sum. Once it is completed, then at last we are returning false. Okay, let's try. All test case compile and run is done. Now I'm going to submit the code. Yes, all test cases are passed. Hmm. This is a way to learn DSA. You have to solve at least one problem every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.